Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you are throughout the world, welcome to the actual Christmas edition of Something for the Weekend from Martin Lynch and Sons in Staines near Heathrow Airport. You told that every week, you're probably fed up with me saying it now, Tony's saying it. All right, Tony?
Not too bad, yeah. Looking forward to Christmas.
Yeah, we're overrun, as you can see. There's so many people in it. No, I'm lying. It's always a bit quiet on Wednesday.
That's because you came in late.
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
Come in early.
You missed the early.
I missed the early shift. I did rather stroll in late today. I think the first thing to do is talk about opening times, because I see here, for some bizarre reason, we're not even open Christmas Day this year.
No, we did look into it, and unfortunately, with the cost of having to supply Christmas dinner, etc.,
it was cheaper to close.
No,
fair enough. So, in all seriousness, we're open Christmas Eve. So, for those of you that are wondering if you are going to get the present that you actually want for Christmas Day, you can slip out on the Saturday, this Saturday, and we're open from 9 o'clock till 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But if you turn up and you're still spending money, you probably...
Well, you say that, I'm in.
Oh, you're in? Well,
yeah,
so it'll close when Tony goes home, and then, so we're shut Sunday the 25th through to Tuesday the 27th for my guys to refresh themselves. And then, sure enough, we will reopen on Wednesday the 28th through to Friday the 30th. Normal hours, 8:30 to 5 o'clock. Saturday the 31st, we're open. From 9 o'clock till 2 o'clock for some odd reason, but they're all going home early on Saturday 31st. Then, of course, Sunday the 1st and Monday the 2nd, we're shut.
Yep.
And open Tuesday the 3rd of January.
Back to normal.
Yeah, so that's that out of the way. Obviously, bargains galore, and Tony's been sorting out.
Yeah, I've been going through a few prices, to put it mildly. Obviously, we've started on Wednesday the Christmas sale, or the winter sale, as we like to call it, because it's not just Christmas, as you know, as they say, like a dog, it's not only for Christmas.
Yeah, it's not only for Christmas. No.
So
go to hamradio.co.uk/sale, and that's an instant route direct to the sale listed items. There you go, hamradio.co.uk/sale.
So let's start with a 710.
FT710. Here it is behind us. And I think I said to you when these first came out, I'm definitely having one of these away, and I did. And it's sitting in the shack. I will admit it's still in the box. There it is. The reason I like it, nice big clear display, touch screen. It's easy to use, and they've got rid of a lot of buttons that are normally covered over the screen. A bit like car dashboards these days, where they're trying to get rid of everything and put things on a touchscreen display. What is good about Yaesu is that the touchscreen interface is excellent, and they're making it easier and easier. And of course, you still get the matching speaker, which bolts on the side.
Very impressive this as well. For those that have not been into the store to try one of these, and I suggest you do come down and have a listen. Is basically you can split the audio, so it's kind of a phasing audio effect.
So I gather.
Yeah, and it works really well. So you can have a bit of audio from the AESS, is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Out the top and out the side, and it just gives you a bit, kind of like the SM5000.
Yeah,
that
but
kind of spatial audio
weird
kind of thing,
SM5000 sat on top of the 101 5000.
5000, yeah.
So they're in stock. They're ready to ship. You won't be able to order one for Christmas now if you're actually watching this video, because it's Friday. So come down to the store.
But you can pop in.
Yeah,
because I'll be in on the Saturday.
Yeah.
So.
And I think we'll have some mince pies, so one of you bucks better go out and get some mince pies. So that's that. That's for the Saturday. So FT710. I see we're doing all sorts of bonkers things.
We are, yeah. So whilst we're on Yaesu, I'll quickly run through that. So 101s. I know you're going to moan.
Oh, Christ, here we go.
As you said before, you know, try and give them a little something. So we've gone to the deal.
Hold on a minute, hold on.
Well, you do.
When did I say try? Oh, I did.
You did on that other video. You said.
I did. No, I did. I've actually said it in words
them,
as well.
And you always say to me, look after the customers.
You've got to do that, because if you don't, guess what? They go elsewhere, and I don't blame you.
Yeah. So FTDX 101, D and MP, again, discounted price. So no freebies, but the price is discounted. Okay. And if you're reading the Something for the Weekend, you'll notice, like Martin just said, we've done a few different things, and basically we've given you all £15. Sorry.
So if you spent, there's a slight caveat.
there is a
Apparently you've got to spend
caveat,
150 quid, 150 quid or more, you get another 15 quid off. So if a thing's already discounted to some figure that I can't even
like the 101,
etc., then you get another 15 quid when you go to checkout. And that's £150 over on the web only. So you've got to order it via the web.
Yeah.
And I also noticed you're knocking percentages off used as well.
Yeah, so everyone really enjoyed Tony's little discount on the used equipment. I've been hoarding a bit of used again, as you can probably notice. If Henry walks back a little bit further, he's probably going to trip over the used.
I can see a whole load of stuff on the floor.
So I've got a load more in, and basically it's 5% off again. So add the code.
Is that added to? Oh, you have to add the code.
You've got to add the code. So again, online only. Add the code, and you'll get 5% off. And we'll just try and make sure Mike doesn't listen. You also get the 1% cash back on the website.
Do you know? I'm not surprised we haven't got any money. It's just
you've got to look after them, Martin.
You've got to look giveaways here. So I hope you enjoyed our mail out. Tony put a lot of effort into it, getting all pieces of kit, as indeed Henry spent hours laying it all out and doing the camera work and editing behind. We'd all like to wish you a very, very merry and safe and healthy Christmas, and let's fingers crossed.
Fingers
crossed that 2023 is going to be a slightly better year than 2022. Thanks for your support over all the years as well. Of course, no question of that. Without any of you spending money with me, and I know you've got alternatives, you can go wherever you like to spend your money, we wouldn't still be here. 33rd year we're going into in 2023. How the years fly by. We're not going to do a walk round again. We might well do on Saturday if Tony's got time, but I'm rather hoping you're all going to get on buses and trucks and come down, because it's going to be a sort of a party atmosphere if you all do. That's it from me and you.
Yeah, I just want to say thank you as well from all of my guys, all the sales guys. Thank you for being so pleasant to them this year. It's been appreciated.
That's good.
It really has.
Fantastic.
And we've made some good friends this year.
As always.
Some new friends. So all of you newly licensed amateurs that gave us a call this year, good to see loads of them have progressed.
Good.
So foundation, and some guys have done advanced courses as well. And we hope to see you again next year. So come down and say hello.
So goodbye from the pair of us.
Cheers.
All the best.
Bye.